Okay, binary traders, it's about 9:20 New York, getting ready for the U.S. Open. We've had some pretty nice movement. I came in about 9 o'clock looking at the charts. Might have been able to catch this dollar yen short right here. But in any case, it did get this. This was a nice long here, you see. The setup came at 48, so you're not going to take it. Again, we wait till we're a little bit closer, right? So, on this candle, 52, you're at 8 minutes prior. And I don't like to take trades, 8 minutes is a lifetime. So, you trigger in, and then you're kind of waiting all the way over here. And you can see how it did pull back quite a bit, but it did hit its target perfectly. Then, again, you don't really have another trade. Here, this one came at 05, it never even came in. So then this was your next one at 12. So that's right about the time you can't get into it anymore. And so, obviously, if you've taken that one, it was very good. It was kind of odd. I was looking at the euro, the dollar yen was moving in conjunction with the euro yen, or the euro dollar, which shouldn't. It should go opposite, like right now. The euro's going up, and dollar yen's going down. So that's kind of what I expect to see. So this euro's looking pretty solid for a long, and I'm just waiting now, again, till it's all about timing. So I'm going to wait another minute or two, and what I might do, let me get this line up here, is make it break that little bit of resistance. So again, we may not get a trade. Trading this system is all about patience. Okay, just waiting for the setup to come and the time to come. So we may not get one. Let me move this over here. Keep an eye on the dollar yen too. Looking at both of these are some great markets to trade. So. But I'm all queued up and ready. I've got $100 bets on both of these ready to go, and we'll just see what kind of a trade we get. So here the euro's pulling back, dollar yen. I don't think we're going to get anything prior to the U.S. Open, but I'll come back and see if we do. Okay, actually we're getting ready to trigger in long. I got 7 minutes. I am just about ready. The dollar yen is climbing. That means the euro should go down. So let me hold off. Again, I'm looking for that. I've adjusted the entry slightly. You've got another dust swing high here. So let's see what it does. Got 3 minutes. So I can take this thing for another 3 minutes. And there it is. I'm not thrilled about it, but then again, hey, we don't know. Again, just because of this double top, it's not really double top, it just had another swing level. So that's the first trade of the day. We'll see if we win or lose. It's about 30 seconds remaining. It was looking really good. We were in the green, but as you can see, it's pulling back now. So I didn't like the U.S. Open. Kind of have to maybe factor that in. Usually you can get a pretty good trade prior to the U.S. Open. But in about 2 or 3 seconds, this trade is over. So anyway, we'll take the next trade, and no worries. You can't get, if we'd have been one, we'd have been done. One and done, right? So anyway, we'll come back with the next trade. Okay, I'm going to take this dollar yen short, and the euro long looks very good too. I don't have a signal yet on that, but let's go short from that green trade there. And the euro's gonna have resistance up here at 50, so we'll hold off on that one. Okay, we now have a long on the yen. We don't have a euro trade, and but we're still in the green. Well, we were in the green, so on our short. My strike rate was 120, right, hovering right around that 120 level. So we'll see. We've got 3 minutes to go, and you know, anything can happen in 3 minutes. All right, we've got a little bit less than a minute to go. Let's see. Yeah, about 40 seconds. Right now we are in the green. So make a profit of $170 on this. Our first trade was a loss, so this will give us a $70 profit, and we'll be done. Looking pretty good. Time remaining 10 seconds. Again, a lot can happen in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. It's golden. There's no way. So the long on the euro would have been nice too. But I just didn't have a signal. I just had a kind of a feeling from watching it that it looked pretty strong, which is why the short on the dollar yen looked very good. There's our two trades for today. The first trade on the euro lost. Again, we were long. It didn't happen quite on our time, because then you see it went long quite nicely. So then we went short on the dollar yen, and that won very nicely. So $370 minus the $100 loss. $370 minus the $100 loss gives you $70 profit. That's it for today. We're up and winning. If I happen to see another trade, I mean, you could certainly take one more, but what if you lose? Why not end positive every day? Hey, good trading. Have a great rest of the week.